And I'd like to take this time to welcome you guys back to another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. And I'm your host, John Shaft. A lot of you been wondering about my C7, and I'm here to give you an update on my C7. I'm still debating on whether to, and of course I'm gonna get it repaired. It's just a matter of time because of the amount of money that it takes to repair these vehicles, man. It's just it's outrageous. The amount of money that you spend on repairing one of these vehicles, it could be a nice down payment on a newer Corvette, if you want to go back with a Corvette. So that's what's been taking me so long about getting it repaired. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to repair it, either just get me a new one. But I think what I'm going to do is I'll probably end up doing both. I'll probably end up getting me a new one and also keeping this one. That way I have two Corvettes. But I decided I'd give you guys an update on it. I hate to turn this camera around and let you guys look at it, but I come out here to get it kind of clean it off, get some of these leaves off of it, and all this dirt that's piled up on it from this tree here at my home. But let me first explain something to you guys. When you got a vehicle such as a Corvette and everything is electric, and those of you that are old school Corvette owners, you already know what I'm about to tell you. But it's for the new guys. If you got as you know, we all have these keys here for the particular vehicle, and since your car is electronic, there might be some times when you come outside where you might have a dead battery or something like that. And this is how you get into your vehicle with a dead battery. You have a key in this little compartment here. You take it and press, and you pull it apart. Okay. And voila, this comes out. It comes out of this. You just take this, put it in your pocket, so you won't lose it. These keys are like $700 to $1,000, so you don't want to lose it. So you come back here. You come back here and look up under here, up under your tag here. You have a hole. You have a hole up under here. I think that's it right there. Hold on a minute. I got to find it. Hate to have to get down here and get my clothes all messed up. But got to do where I got to do. Okay. Here's a key here, and it's just to the right above your tag. And you put this little key thing here up in it, and you twist it. And voila, it comes open just like this. Then you come around here to this little tag here, and you pull that. You pull that, and your door should pop open. At least the driver's side. This one ain't been open in a while, so we might have to kind of mess with it. Do it again. Pull that. still don't want to open. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause the video for a minute. Make sure I get this open. So you guys hang tight. Okay, so I got it open. Yep, I got it open. So you just pull that little lock, this little latch right here. Sometimes you might have, somebody to hold the handle on the door and pull it as you pull this. And your door should come wide open. As you can see, she still looks good on the inside. And as you can see too, she's a manual vehicle. So one thing about these cars, man, they don't get in too bad of a shape. You can always restore it. So if you don't want to get rid of your car because it's in bad condition, and ain't no conditions too bad for these cars, these particular cars, they can always be restored. Because I've seen some people do some magnificent things to older Corvettes. Even ones that have been damaged. I've seen some older Corvettes look better than some new ones. So don't, if you have one and just sitting around in the yard like mine's here, then don't be despaired about it. So you can always restore these vehicles. Especially when if you got one that you own right out, you ain't got to worry about no payment and owing anybody on it. But yeah, she's been sitting up a while. She's been sitting up for about 2 years now. Kind of hate it, and I never thought I would be in this kind of condition. Well, my dream car would be sitting up like this, but sometimes life happens. But like I said in my previous videos, I am in the market for me a new one. I'm gonna try to get some of these leaves and dirt off of it. I gotta try to find me a cheap car cover for it. Each time I do this, if I don't have a car cover, it'll get back like this again. Well, I just decided I come out here today and do it since all the leaves seem to be falling off of this tree here. Let's pop the hood also. I had this car in mint condition, boy, when it was running. But like I said, it's been sitting up for the last 2 years now. Got it. Get it halfway decent. Got to send it to the shop. Send it to the shop because I don't want them to see it like this. Can't send it looking like this. As you can see, this car still looks good once it's cleaned up. I'm amazed what these cars, I don't care what year they are, they hold. This is why they hold their value. Because of the designs of it. The designs of the Corvette just never gets old. They come out with different newer models, different models, but it never get old, you know. Yes, she still got that front end damage. That front end damage was from something to come off of an 18-wheeler. And I was traveling to a customer on I-20. And I ran over it, so it caused that front end damage. Other than that, she needs an engine. That engine was about $14,000 for LS1, I believe. That's about $14,000. That's including installation and everything. And probably another $3,000 to $5,000 just to fix the front end, because they don't tell me what's damaged up under the front end of it. But as you can see, I just got through washing, got all those leaves off of it. And she still looks good when she cleaned up. I am amazed. I hope to get it fixed one day soon. And maybe the next update of this vehicle would be me sending it off to the repair shop, which is going to be a dealership. I don't trust anybody else to work on this car, especially once I'm putting an engine in it. Who knows? The engine might be $16,000 now, because that quote was from like 2 years ago. Well, like I said, guys, this is hopefully the last, well, not the last update, but hopefully the next update will be she's going to the shop. I just decided to come out here today and get it all cleaned up. I don't know when I'm going to put it in the shop, but hopefully it'll be soon. That's going to probably cost me way over $20,000 just to repair all this. That's including the motor. One good thing about it, she have a brand new motor. She has about 160,000 miles on it, guys. And it is a 2016 Stingray. Spin out about 460 horsepower. 7-speed manual transmission. And she will scat. Believe me, she'll scat. I have had it up to about 152, and she was still trying to climb even faster. I'm told that she'll top out around 190, 192, something like that. So I just didn't have the guts. I did not have the guts. Kind of hate to clean it up. Yeah, people see it in the yard like this. They be trying to come in my yard steal it. got electronic gate. We got cameras everywhere, so I'm not worried too much about anything. Well, I'm John Shaft, your host, and you are viewing another episode of my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification button so you will know when we are doing a upload. Wishing you all a happy and holiday season. And we'll see you again in the next video upload. Thank you for watching.